What's up guys, welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt and today we are looking at the multi-device connection wireless keyboard by iClever. This thing's got some weight to it. Now this thing is actually made out of aluminum. You can connect up to 3 devices simultaneously. Ooh. Oh man, that has weight. Wow, get out of there. How heavy is this thing? I don't even know how heavy it is. It's heavy, it's like a pound. We got a user manual. And we have a USB to micro USB cable. I'm guessing that's for charging. Now they're saying that it has a 70-hour battery life and a 33-foot range on this. Wow, look at that. It's pretty slick looking. Now these buttons are here at the top, the gray ones. This is to switch through the multiple devices. Now, as you can see, it's got this, this crevice here, and this is for putting a phone or a tablet right there on it. So it acts as a stand. It's got little foot pegs on the bottom. You've got your micro USB port here for charging and your on-off switch. They laser cut the aluminum on the edge, so it's got this nice classy looking shine to the edges. Now the keys they're saying is premium ABS. They're rated at 5 million presses. So however long it takes you to get to 5 million presses on a single key, that's how long the keys should last for. There we go. Got our Bluetooth light pop up. Can I put this? Oh, okay. Well, sort of. Yeah, it's too small for the OtterBox case. Let me take it out. All right. So you set your phone in like so. That's cool. Fits in there real easily. You can put it in either way. Imagine having 3 phones lined up. I don't know what you'd be doing, but maybe you're one of those like bots and you need to set up 3 phones and type real quick to get your fake likes in. You never know. It fits perfectly. This is the Note 9, by the way. Let's connect it up. All right, so we hold this. 1, 2, 3, 4. KBO1. All right, so we should be paired. Wow, it's very responsive. So you can hit the start button and it goes up to, hey, stop listening to me. Stop it. Stop listening to me.
Some results from a search.
No, that's not what I wanted. So that's kind of cool. Hitting the start button right here immediately brings up the assistant. Tell me a joke.
Did you hear about the world's largest pickle? It's a really big dill.
All right, done with that. What else we got? Oh, look at that. Volume straight from here. Nice. Mute. Okay. Go to home. Oh, home takes you right there. That's nice. Google. Wow, it's very responsive. I'm liking it so far. It's like it's hardwired. I got the Huawei tablet that I unboxed a while back. I'll leave a link right here. It's an awesome tablet. Unfortunately, there's no reason to buy anything Huawei now thanks to legal things. So I don't know how long I'm gonna be using this, but now what I did was I have my phone on number 1 and the tablet I'm putting on number 2. Okay, so I got 2 different things up. I've got text messaging and then I've got notes. So right now I'm connected to the phone. Test. Hello. And then if I want to switch over to that one, I should just hit number 2. Oh, there we go. And now I'm over here. Nice. Matt is amazing. Smiley face. Hey, this works. This actually really works. It works really well. It's so quick on switching from one to the other, and the actual response of the keyboard is so smooth. Volume. Switch over to number 1. Just that quick. I mean, it's smooth, and that's just 2 devices. You can do up to 3. Maybe your phone, your tablet, your laptop, your PC. It works with Mac, it works with Windows, Android, iOS. It's very compatible with a lot of things. Thank you, Huawei. That's no longer gonna work after a certain period of time. Okay, 4.5 stars from 14 customers, only 30 bucks. I can see why it's got such good ratings. It works great. It works just as advertised. I like it, and it feels super, it feels super premium. From the feel of the keys to the feel of just the overall build itself with the Grand Canyon at the top that holds all your devices, it does a really good job. It's very well built and only 30 bucks. It definitely feels more expensive than that though. So yeah, if you're in the market for a wireless keyboard, one that can connect to multiple devices at the same time and hold on to your phone or your tablet, this is a good spot to look. Definitely check this one out. Anyway guys, that is it. I'm gonna leave links down in the description below as usual. I leave it in your hands, but as for now, get out of here.